So, my friends, today is a momentous day. We have witnessed the federal indictment of Donald Trump, a former president, for his crimes. It is a day that upholds the rule of law and brings hope to all Americans who value justice and expect our government officials to abide by the law. Not only is it a victory for us, but also for our global allies who have been rooting for our democracy and waiting to see accountability restored. Today, justice matters. Hey, everyone, Glenn Kirshner here. Today is a significant day for justice. It marks a historic moment in our nation's history as a criminal former president of the United States faces federal charges for his actions. We have been eagerly anticipating this day, yearning for accountability for a long time. Throughout the years, in my daily videos on justice matters, I have repeatedly emphasized the importance of patience. Just because justice has not been served yet does not mean it won't happen. There were moments when I lost my patience, feeling frustrated by the seemingly prolonged wait for accountability. But today, we have taken the first step towards accountability by indicting Donald Trump for some of his crimes. This is undoubtedly a good day for America and for those who have been rooting for our democracy and the punishment of high-ranking officials who commit crimes. The ruling class criminals can no longer evade justice. According to the latest reporting from the New York Times, the headline reads, "Trump indicted, Trump is charged in classified documents inquiry." This indictment brings 7 counts against the former president, including conspiracy to obstruct and willful retention of documents. It is noteworthy that Donald Trump is the first former president in U.S. history to face federal charges. The Justice Department has taken a momentous and politically charged step by filing federal criminal charges against the former President Donald Trump. This extensive investigation focuses on his mishandling of classified documents that he took with him upon leaving office, as well as his obstruction of the government's efforts to reclaim them. The indictment, filed in federal district court in Miami, puts the nation in an unprecedented position, considering Mr. Trump's status not only as a former chief executive but also as the frontrunner for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination, potentially facing President Biden in the election. Now, let's dive into what lies ahead. What can we expect in the coming days? It is reported that Donald Trump's arraignment is scheduled for Tuesday, where he will make his first court appearance. He has been granted the opportunity to surrender voluntarily to the FBI on that day, accompanied by his defense attorneys at the local FBI field office in Florida. Unlike the spectacle of a perp walk or handcuffs, this process will involve him willingly turning himself in to the FBI for arrest, followed by the standard booking procedures. He will be fingerprinted, have his arrest photo taken, commonly known as a mugshot. However, it is unlikely that the FBI will treat him with special privileges as seen in his previous arrest in New York. After the booking process, Donald Trump will be transported to federal court in the Southern District of Florida for his arraignment. During the arraignment, he will be formally informed of the charges brought against him by the grand jury. It is expected that he will enter a plea of not guilty. The discussion will then shift to determining the conditions for his pretrial release, ensuring his appearance in court and the safety of the community. Let's touch upon pretrial detention briefly. In some cases, individuals are detained pending trial, often those with limited resources and connections, while others are released under specific conditions. For Donald Trump, it is unlikely that he will be detained pending trial. However, it is arguable that he poses a flight risk and a danger to the community, our democracy.